Hi, and welcome to Gyanonymous School. Have you ever wondered why a thief chooses one house but ignores the other? Why a mobile phone gets stolen from a cafe while hundreds of others remain safe? The answer may lie in one of the most influential modern criminological theories, the routine activity theory. Routine activity theory was developed in 1979 by criminologists Lawrence Cohen and Marcus Felson. Unlike theories that ask why criminals commit crimes, this theory asks a different question. It asks what conditions make crime possible. According to this theory, crime occurs not only because offenders exist, but because everyday routines create opportunities for crime. According to routine activity theory, three elements come together at the same time and at the same place for a crime to occur. What are the three elements? They are motivated offender, a suitable target, and absence of guardians. Firstly, a motivated offender. This is someone who is willing to commit a crime. This theory assumes that such people already exist in the society. Secondly, a suitable target. The target could be a person, a mobile phone, maybe some cash, maybe jewelry, or even a sensitive digital information. Thirdly, the absence of a capable guardian. A capable guardian is anything or anyone that can prevent a crime, such as a police officer, maybe security guards, some cases maybe CCTV cameras, maybe alert neighbors, maybe parents, or even strong locks. If any of these three elements is missing, the crime is much less likely to happen. Let's look at some examples. Imagine you leave your expensive laptop unattended in a college library while you go for lunch. All three elements are present: a motivated offender, a suitable target, and no capable guardian. The result can be the laptop may be stolen. Now imagine the same library has CCTV cameras, security staff, and students keeping an eye on each other's belongings. The capable guardian is present, making theft much likely. Here come another example. A person walking alone late at night in a poorly lit street with no police patrols, he may or she may face a higher risk of robbery than someone walking in a busy, in a well-lit market with adequate security personnel. So routine activity theory teaches us that crime prevention is not only about catching criminals, it is also about reducing opportunities for crime. Installing CCTV cameras, improving street lighting, locking doors, using anti-theft devices, and increasing police patrols all strengthen capable guardianship and reduce criminal opportunities. That's why this theory remains highly relevant in policing, in urban planning, in cybersecurity, and everyday crime prevention. So that's all. Today we have learned about routine activity theory of criminology. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gyanonymous School for more easy to understand criminology videos. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.